Look at all those. A whole bunch. Yeah, there's some monsters in there. Come on, group. Oh my gosh! Do you see how fast that thing? Some really, really cool fish in here right now. Oh, look at the cleaner wrasse. Look at them all in my hand. Oh! These 4 bags is all us. What is going on, pros? Welcome back to another video. Before we get started, I do have a couple boxes from the P.O. Box. Well, these are from the Amazon wish list, and I just want to give a big shout out to Isaac. Says, you've been a big inspiration in my journey of navigating marine biology. Big shout out to you, Isaac. Hooked it up with some turtle food. There you go, Tom. Some more turtle food. Lots of turtle food. UVB light, some pig snacks. Lots of pig snacks. These pigs are spoiled. And then I actually got another bag. This one's from Joseph. Shout out to Joseph Embry. Joseph Embry hooked it up with this one right here. Another treat for the pigs. Lots of treats. Amazon wish list. I always like to shout out whoever sends stuff, so at least I do my best to. Without further ado though, let's get today's video started. Update on our inside tank real quick for those of you wondering how the tank's doing. The lights are slightly dim. You can see our cleaner shrimp, our Nemos, our clownfish. Yellow tang right there. Growing too, by the way, getting real nice and big. Bangai cardinals right here. Another cleaner shrimp flying around. And of course, all 3 of our, oh, they're gone. Did you see how fast they just disappeared? They didn't like the mic right here. But all 3 of our bar gobies as well. And there's a couple other small fish like mandarin gobies and stuff that are all in the rocks, but good luck finding those. Coral to come for this very, very soon. I know I've been saying it for a little bit, just a lot of other projects going on out here. Look at all of our fish. Everyone's right in front of the window right now. This new camera is absolutely insane. What do you guys think of the new camera? It's the first time I've filmed with it, actually like a full video with it, other than my intro last video. But man, oh man, it makes a difference, and it's lens stable. I love it, I love it. So just briefly, all the fish in the saltwater reef pond, as you can very easily see, are doing great. They're doing amazing. Over here in the predatory pond, we have the same exact situation going on. They're doing amazing. Grouper coming up to the surface waiting for me to feed some shrimp. That's all he cares about. A little bit of shrimp. Same with Mrs. Puff. We got the jack, we got the batfish, we got stingrays, we got sharks in here. We got pretty much everything. The best part is though, let's watch them eat. Oh, I almost just dropped the whole entire thing. This is dried krill. I try to show this almost every video at least because it really is so fun to watch. Ready? Here we go. Come on, group. Oh my gosh, do you see how fast that thing? Absolutely insane. That was ridiculous. I don't think I've ever seen him come up that fast, ever. That was absolutely insane. Replay the clip of how fast that grouper came right off the surface and ate the top. Come on, group. Oh my gosh! Now, of course, we have our cichlid Fly River pond. The Fly River's got his head buried up in the rock right here, but we have this beautiful freshwater pond. We're gonna be doing a little bit more of freshwater here soon. The 7,500 gallon tank that we had the gar and the bisher in, as you can see, has nothing inside of it. Now, as you can see, this glass looks all nasty now. There's no water and it dried up. But the gar and the bisher went over to my boy Gio's house. He just made some of the craziest ponds. That's 2 ponds connected to each other. He built those with Hector. I was there for a lot of it, and it's so cool to watch ponds get built, especially something I've never seen before. I gave those fish to him for like a little welcoming gift to the pond lifestyle. So the gar and the bisher, if you're curious where they went out of that tank, they used to live at the Fly River, who's now in here. Gio came and picked those up for a video on his channel. Okay. Well, that was...
Okay, buddy, you gotta get out of the net. You gotta swim out. This is our brand new little gar. We've got our 2 brand new monster fishing.
Over here we have, of course, our massive 5,500 gallon shark pond. We've got the shark art on the outside, the members' names, of course, all your members. But inside, if you watch one of our last videos, we have our sergeant majors, and they're doing great. They're doing fantastic. Let me give you a quick clip of them real quick. I know I showed it last video too, but I want to show you they're doing great. They're all sitting inside the crate. We need to get more fish for this. At some point, we're gonna go out and we're gonna go fishing for a bunch of random small fish, and whatever the heck we catch, we're gonna bring back and put inside the shark pond. But the sergeant majors are all hiding. They're in their little crates, soon to probably get eaten by sharks. No, I'm just kidding. I really do think that they're gonna be fine. I think they're gonna be straight. They're just swimming around in the crates, and the sharks are gonna be full anyway. We're gonna feed them great. Rodrigo sent me this video right here on the screen. My goodness, those are zebra sharks. If we can get those imported, they're thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. But my goodness, imagine having those. So smash the like button if you think we should grab some of those zebra sharks for the shark pond. We're just about all packed up and ready. I've got, literally, look at these new camo hats. Oh my goodness. We got PC mugs. We're about packed up to get over to Chicago for Aquashella. It's gonna be a great time. By the time this video goes live, we're probably in Chicago, and I might have met you while in Chicago at Aquashella. So if I did meet you, it was a pleasure. And if I didn't, next one, gotta show up. You gotta come hang out. It's always a good time. And I think that calls for the start of today's video. Didn't I say that in the intro too? I just love talking to the camera, I'm sorry. Were you asking yourself what today's video is on? Well, today we're getting invertebrates. Not only, maybe a little bit for the reef pond, I don't know yet, but definitely for the new shark pond. All right, we're here inside of Andy's aquarium shop over here in North Palm Beach. This is one of my favorite go-to local spots, of course. Here's one of the things that I know I'm gonna get for sure today. See all them crabs right there? Oh yeah, those guys need to come home with us. They would look so cool hanging out on the crates inside the shark pond. And not only that, we probably won't have any troubles with these guys being eaten by our sergeant majors or any further fish that we get in the future. We've got some cleaner shrimp here as well. These guys, I'm definitely probably gonna get just a few and just see how they do in the pond for now. Of course, we've got the blood shrimp in there as well. They're just the red, all red ones. Maybe we get a few of those just to kind of test it out. You know, just test the waters. Check out this fish. That guy will do some damage. A little venomous. Oh, look. I have these in the reef pond. These starfish right here. There's even some coral bandits in here, which I've probably had one of the largest coral bandits I've ever had in my entire life inside my saltwater tank inside prior to remodeling it. And Tommy sold it. Tommy, what the heck? I wanted that back. He sold it. Someone has my coral bandit that I grew, and it's massive. These pencil urchins are freaking massive. Look how big they are. Those are massive. And when it comes to fish, there's a little bit of a selection here. Right now we got some little baby nasos. Look how tiny they are. Got a little, if you can see them hiding back there, a little bicolored angelfish, a couple different clownfish, a tiger goby right there. Over here is a sailfin, another bicolored angel. Some really, really cool fish in here right now. Oh, look at the cleaner wrasse. I love them. Speaking of cleaner wrasse, I think I know what the heck we need to get today. Oh, I'm waking up still. So I believe after walking around here, looking at some of these fish, of course I've taken a look at almost every single tank. I got my thoughts. We're definitely gonna eat some of these crabs. We're gonna get some of the cleaner shrimp, and then I think we're gonna get some of those cleaner wrasse as well. They would probably love it in the shark pond, and we're gonna need them in there regardless. It's a couple fish they'll have now, but we plan to add a lot of fish here in the next few weeks. So, as well as the mysis that will be feeding in the pond, which they do eat. I've witnessed them eat in the reef pond, although some might say they don't eat them. I think those are really smart to get for the shark pond as well at the moment. So, I think we got a good selection. It doesn't take me long to find things that I wanna buy when I'm here. So, let's get to work. Those are some of the biggest cleaner wrasse I have ever seen. I want those ones. They're massive. They're literally the size of my finger. What we can get as well soon, eventually, once algae starts growing and a lot more fish are in there, we can get some snails. But we don't want to put too many snails in there. The invertebrates that we get, which is just a few, obviously the little testers, is the perfect start. I'll do 2 bloods, 2 cleaner shrimp, a handful of these crabs, maybe 2 dozen of them. I think, oh, 2 cleaner wrasse as well. The bigger ones right here in this tank, and that'll wrap it up. Thank you, sir. Cleaner shrimp, the best part. And there's our cleaners. How many of these crabs we getting? There's 2 dozen?
2 dozen.
Sweet. Look at those guys. Wow.
There were tiny ones.
And there's actually some big ones in there right now. Like with nice claws too. Yeah, we got the one I was looking at. So these right here are all going in. I want to see them crawling around the crates. That's exactly what they're going to do too, which is the coolest part. I know exactly what they're going to do. These emerald crabs are going to be crawling all over it. Look at that. You almost don't even see these crabs on the rocks. Barely see them until they start moving. Look how many there are. All crabs. Oh, that's a big one right there. Yeah. Yeah. Look at all those. A whole bunch. Yeah, there's some monsters in there. You typically really, I mean, at least I haven't. I don't see them that big often. I mean, emeralds usually are pretty small. Those are massive. He's just about to get started bagging up our cleaner wrasse over there, but it's really cool to go on mini shopping sprees for this pond because it's a fresh pond. Of course, we're gonna have days where we come and do a full invert shopping spree, of course, and days where we have full fishing shopping spree, and days we go full fish on shopping, like getting a bunch of fish for this, whether it's catching them or buying them. We're gonna have big days like that for the shark pond. Right now is like, it's just a little kickstart. Like the Sergeant Majors were the first little test fish. They're doing amazing. This is exactly what we're doing with this right now. It's a big, big pond. We want to take step by step, especially before we go and invest thousands of dollars into big sharks. And both of our cleaner wrasse, those are some big ones too.
Yeah.
Both of our cleaner wrasse are bagged up and good to go. All right, folks. We're locked and loaded. Let me show you. This is this stuff's not mine, but this is. Look at all those emerald crabs. We have 2 cleaners and 2 bloods, which the bloods are such a cool looking shrimp. I love these guys. And then of course our cleaner wrasse. So these 4 bags is all us. What's our damage looking like? $7,400. No, much better than much better than a top shelf shrimp. I'll tell you that. Oh, I need crab clusters too for my eel. Frozen food. Oh. Is it the wrong side? That's embarrassing. Oh. 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 That's even more embarrassing. Oh, there's a handle there. Oh. So that was the wrong side with the handle. That's 3 times embarrassing. I'm gonna get 3 crab clusters right here. Alright, 3 things of crab clusters too. Alrighty, folks. $250 later, we've got all of our inverts. It's insane, this hobby, what it costs to be in it. And I know each and every one of you watching can relate in every which way possible. It's so fun though. It's so fun. We're back at the shark pond. We've got all of our inverts in here. And of course we've got our 2 cleaner wrasse inside this right here. Now these guys acclimate. They're just it's gonna actually show you just how fast the flow is in this pond. So I put the bag in over here, and as you can see, it's already just getting pushed. See you later. What I can put in are these emerald crabs. I got a lot of them strictly to go on these crates right here. I'm so excited to see how they react to literally all those crates. Let's get them in. Oh my gosh. Look at them all. Look at them all in my hand. Oh! There they go. Dude, look at all the crab. Well, there's the cleaner wrasse passing by. Look at all the crabs down there. They're all just hitting bottom, wondering where the heck they are. There's a window there, and there's a window here. And I dropped them all right here. So I wish I would have put them somewhere where I could actually see them. I might be able to get them from here. Maybe just a little bit. Oh yeah, there they are. Look at them walk. They're making their way. He's making his way to the crate. Slowly but surely. You can see them all they kind of look flat. But they're starting to move around a lot now. There goes one. Making my way downtown, fucking fast. They're all going to the crates. You guys almost ready? You're next, or one next. Let's get these inverts in. Look at how beautiful those cleaner shrimp are. Let's hope they do good. Ready? Right in front of the window. There he comes. There. He's on the window. The other one's right there. There it goes. This guy's like on the window though. He's hanging out. See you later, buddy. See him hanging on the side of the window right there, and his buddy is all the way over there, floating away. Crabs are all spreading out. This is so cool. I really am glad I got the crabs, because any food that the fish don't eat, these guys will definitely scavenge and get to. And the plan is to actually, it was Brenton's idea, to put another one of these lobster cages, lobster traps on top of all these others. So there'll be one that comes out of water, and these crabs can actually climb out of water and hang out outside of the water. And last, well not last but not least, but second to last but not least, because we have our, of course, the parasite eating cleaner wrasse. We have our 2 blood shrimp. These guys are beautiful. I can't wait to show you them on camera, especially with the new camera. The quality is unreal. Look at those shrimp. Wow. We will, oh, here comes the bag of cleaner wrasse. There you go. See you later, guys. Get out of here. Take a look at this. Ready? See you later. Oh, that guy's, he doesn't look like he's doing too hot, huh? He's grabbing on my hand. That is crazy. See you, buddy. See you later, homie. Look at him go. He's going. He's sending it. He's like, I see the crate. He went right to that thing. Right to it. He's alive, but he's not all that hardy. I just got home and he's not even He's still moving, he's still moving. He's moving, I don't know. I will put him in the pond and hope for the best, buddy. All right, folks, well, 4 shrimp, 2.5 dozen-ish crabs. You know what time it is. It's time for the main event. Cleaner wrasse. These are some massive cleaner wrasse, holy smokes. Oh, you little slimy guy. Little slimy dude. Here you go, ready? Woohoo! Go to the window. They're coming. You see them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I love those fish so much. And now those fish are gonna go find the Sergeant Majors and pick at them. Oh! They're right there. Right there. Those are our first, no, take that back. Those are our second species of fish in the pond. Sergeant Majors and cleaner wrasse are what we have in here now. Slowly, slowly but surely, we are indeed building the ecosystem. I cannot wait to get sharks. Earlier in the video, I showed you the video of the zebra sharks that we can get imported. They're expensive, but it's possible. And of course, we plan to do maybe nurse sharks, maybe, I know for a fact, black tip sharks. I also want to get stingrays and eels and more species of fish for this pond. So this is probably going to be one of our greatest projects we've ever done on the channel. I truthfully believe that. And it's hard to beat the reef pond, but this is gonna beat the reef pond. Let's just be honest. Sharks, like actual sharks, I'm gonna need waivers for people to sign when they come in here. Because if a friend comes over, they're like, whoa, a pond! And a black tip comes up and rips their finger off, I might get sued. That wouldn't be good. That right there is 4 new shrimp, a bunch of crabs, and 2 cleaner wrasse inside the pond. Like I said, we're only going to be adding to this more and more. Every single, well, maybe not every video, but a lot of videos coming up are gonna be getting the species we're getting for this pond. And I cannot wait for each and every one of those videos. And if you're not already, don't miss out. Subscribe down below, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on. You'll be notified every single time I upload a video here on the channel. Also, while you're down there, leave a like, smash a like. And just for hitting the like button, here's a picture of a baby possum. If my editor doesn't pop up a baby possum, that would be embarrassing. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you right back here in the next one. Get yourself a PC hat. I might be sold out by the time this video is live, but we're dropping hats left and right. So keep your eye out on PC Aquatics as well for the new hat drops. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.